Welcome to Hyperlocal's Equipment Knowledge Base. Today we will learn and understand how to and when to use a portable oxygen concentrator.
Using your portable oxygen concentrator. If you have a lung problem, such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD, or pulmonary fibrosis, you might have low oxygen levels. If so, you may need extra oxygen or oxygen therapy. Oxygen therapy is given using special equipment. This animation tells you about using a portable oxygen concentrator. A portable oxygen concentrator is a machine that turns room air into oxygen. You breathe in the oxygen through a tube or cannula that connects from the machine to your nose. The air we breathe contains just 21% oxygen, along with other gases. An oxygen concentrator absorbs oxygen from the air and creates a blend that is almost pure oxygen. If you have a condition that prevents you from getting enough oxygen from the air, you can use an oxygen concentrator to get extra or supplemental oxygen to bring your oxygen levels up to normal. A portable oxygen concentrator is small and usually light enough to carry. It can help provide you with extra oxygen therapy, while you are outside of the house. It is powered by a battery, so it can be used while away by plugging into power outlets. You may use a stationary oxygen concentrator at home and a portable concentrator when you go out. Your portable oxygen concentrator includes the machine and a device called a cannula that fits in your nostrils to deliver oxygen. The cannula connects to a length of tubing. The other end of the tube connects to a nozzle on your concentrator. Your concentrator runs on a battery. It may also have a backup battery. These need to be charged regularly. You can recharge them at home or plug them into the outlet in a car. The concentrator also has a filter to clean the air, a flow meter to measure the flow of oxygen, and controls to set the flow. It also has an electronic display and alarms to let you know of any problems. Ask your oxygen supplier if you need to replace any parts or send them back to the manufacturer for service. To set up your portable oxygen concentrator, check that the battery is charged. When it is, you can turn the machine on and off with a button. Make sure the tubing is not blocked. The amount of oxygen flowing from the concentrator can be adjusted. If you feel like you are not getting enough, let your healthcare provider know. Also, ask your provider about using a finger pulse oximeter to measure your oxygen levels. Portable oxygen concentrators are smaller and lighter than stationary models and deliver less oxygen. Many portable oxygen concentrators give oxygen in pulses, so you only receive it when you breathe in. Some portable concentrators can deliver continuous flows, but these are relatively low, about 3 liters per minute or less. Pulse setting numbers are not the same as continuous flow or liters per minute settings. If your doctor prescribes a higher flow, a portable concentrator may not provide enough oxygen for you. To connect the tubing, place one end over the nozzle on the concentrator. Gently press down until the tube end is securely on the nozzle. The tubing must be connected firmly enough to stay in place, even when you move around. You may want to ask a caregiver to help. Be careful when plugging in the tubing and power adapter. It is possible for these connections to break. Some portable oxygen concentrators have filters you can replace yourself. An alarm may tell you when it is time. A part of your concentrator called the sieve bed must be cleaned by a service technician about every 2 years. If your oxygen concentrator's batteries do not hold a charge as long as they used to, they may need replacing. An alarm may flash or sound if the sieve beds need replacing. Your supplier can help with this. If the tubing or the adapter do not seem to be working, check for kinks in the tubing and damaged connections. Contact your supplier if something seems broken. The concentrator may still be under warranty. On trips, you can avoid problems by taking an adapter that plugs into your car's outlet and carrying backup batteries when traveling by plane, bus, or train. If you plan to travel by plane, contact the airline well in advance to learn what they allow you to bring and use. You can also ask your supplier about how to get the most battery life from the concentrator on each charge. In case of problems, Know who to contact at the company that supplies your oxygen. You may want to have more than one way to contact them. Your portable oxygen concentrator may help you do more of what you want to do while on the go. Like with any medical device, there are pros and cons to its use. Talk with your doctor about whether a portable oxygen concentrator is a good fit for your lifestyle and your oxygen needs.